Today I am talking about the About section, how to use it to help you gain subscribers. The first 3 lines are the most important as they show up if someone is looking for channels in the YouTube search engine. The first 3 lines need to be about the content you make on your channel. Think if a complete stranger was reading them for the first time, what would interest them? Think about searchable terms that you use most often on your videos. Then make a sentence like you would if you was telling somebody about your channel. Don't add hashtags, don't add links to this part. I have added a hashtag and a link to show you. If you look at the screen, neither of those are in blue, so no one can click on them. It's invalid information which doesn't help the YouTube algorithm, also makes it harder for your subscribers to go to those pages. So no links, no hashtags and no spamming. You don't need to write the same thing over and over again. Once is enough. Have the first part of your description about content. The second part about the days and times you upload. And the third part can be about upcoming videos or a personal message to your subscribers. Your About section is broken up into 3 parts. The description part, which I've just covered. The second part is your details, so if you want to add an email for business inquiries or just for some people to be able to message you that way, that's there. And the third part is for your links. Adding them correctly will also add them to your banner. I need to fix mine now, so I need to remove the hashtags and the link. So if you're using your phone, you click on the 3 dots in the right hand corner and change it to desktop mode. Then it's the same on your phone or your computer. You click on the 3 lines in the left hand side, then click on My Channel, then click on About section, then click Customize Channel. To edit your description, you click on the right hand side, the pencil. I'm going to delete the hashtag and put a space in between the words. Then I'm going to delete the link and then click on Done. For my business inquiries, again you do the same thing. You go to the right hand side and click on the pencil. Then you can add your email you want people to send messages to. Then for the links section, you go down and click on the right side, the pencil again. I'm going to add my Reddit page, so I'm going to write Reddit in the first box so anybody knows that it's for Reddit, and then the link. Then click on Done. Then I'm going to go and click on My Channel and go to my About section to check I've done it correctly. I will click on the links to make sure it sends people to the right page. It's amazing how many times I've clicked on links and nothing's opened up because the link was incorrect. So best to check. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you next week. Goodbye.